إلا الله. ما شاء الله 27 غرفة، ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن.
Flooding hit northern parts of Saudi Arabia on Friday evening after heavy rains lashed the kingdom, with mosques warning worshippers to pray at home for their safety. Loudspeakers rang out with warnings to stay home, while a heavy sandstorm also hampered visibility in Arar in northern Saudi Arabia, near the Iraqi border. Saudi media outlets and residents shared videos and pictures of flooded streets and the huge sandstorm on social media. Heavy flooding was also reported by residents of Wadi Nasah, south of the capital Riyadh. "My car was stuck. I had to get back with a friend," said Faisal Khan, a resident of Riyadh. Luckily, the rain has cleared up in the city, but it's really bad towards the south. The Meteorological Centre said heavy rains are expected to continue in Hale, Jawf, Qassim, Najran, Wadi al-Dawasir and Taif. Last week, the National Centre of Meteorology, NCM, said several regions had predicted turbulent weather that would include hail, dust storms, a high velocity of air currents and thunderstorms. Rain fell in Mecca last night, as thousands of worshippers gathered for evening prayers at the Grand Mosque to mark the 27th night of Ramadan. Saudi Arabia has announced it has launched a cloud seeding program, with the first series of flights scheduled to take place over the regions of Riyadh, Qassim and Hale.
أبو رامة عرعر. ترى هذا درج طويل يعني. ما شاء الله. 27/9/1443. هذا شارع بيتنا. راح الدرج. لا إله إلا الله، السيارات بدأت تختفي.